Hello and welcome guys, this is Indicor Studio and we are architecturals and interior designs company, and today is our topic. We are going to cover some basic and command in AutoCAD. So in the previous video we covered like line, circle, polyline and poly command is a polygon, and today is our topic. We are going to cover trim command, extend, join and break. So let's start. So we go to the AutoCAD today. So this is AutoCAD. So guys, where we use a trim command. The trim command is like to trim our cross objects. For example, like if any line we create using line command, that's on ortho. So like see, we create this one line and we give offset like wall offset 0.20 centimeter, and then we are going to create here one line and offset 0.2. We are going to create a single row, for example like this one, and like a 4 meter we give this here and 0.2. We're going to make fillet this one and offset 1.5. Offset 1.5. Give offset here and 0.2. For example guys, we are going to use the two commands here like extend and trim. First we use the trim command. For example, anything is like crossing the things, so and this part is not usable part, so we need to trim or delete this part, only this part. So here our trim is come into picture. So we can use like TR, double enter, or we can use double enter to directly trim the command, trim this one, or we can use only trim for like a single trim, like we will go to this one, TR and single enter. This is, and we select the reference point where you want to trim the particular line, and we select here the trim and then enter and trim. So there is a difference in a double enter and single enter. So in a single enter we can give the command to give the reference where should we want to trim. For example, like I want to extend this wall to here, to end of this here. So we use extend command, or we click single enter and we choose the reference point where we want to extend this particular line. So in a single enter we can choose the reference, like we select the reference and then enter, select this one and this one. So this is the extend commands to use to extend the particular line and like a tangent or something. And this is a useless part, so we want to delete this part, so we have to use TR, double enter, trim and trim. So here we can use the trim and extend command. So there is some other useful things here. If you will select this trim once, TR, enter and double enter, it is asking something cross, projection, edge and erase, undo. So basically we use the trim command to cut the object and extend command to extend the object. So like simple, if you want to give make this room like 4 meter, so we'll give offset here 0.20 centimeter wall, and we want this wall to be extend up till here. So what we will do, we will choose EX, single enter to give the reference point, or double enter to directly into the command. So in this time we use directly to into the command, so we use double enter and we choose this one, and So here we don't have any tangent points set, that's why this point is not coming here. If you will extend little bit here this line, and now we give extend command double enter, it will directly join to this one. Now we don't need this part, so we can use trim command to trim this. And also this is not useful, so we will use trim. So here is the same thing. If you want to extend this thing, so we use to stretch this one and click, and this is the reference point, and make extend. And this is a unused thing, so we used to use trim command to trim these things. And same thing is here, we do extend, single enter, reference point, and then enter this one like this. Extend this one, trim this one, this one. So now this is like a single room, and where we use this one for a bathroom or something. Point 2, we make open here door to enter the in room, any size of door we go enter here. We use here for openings, like use opening here and extend, trim. So this is open, this is main door for the room, and this is for the toilet. We can open the door here. So guys, this is the two commands, a very useful command for in AutoCAD, so where we can trim the things, trim the lines, and extend the line as per we require. So the next command is our join command. So join command is also very useful when you want to join two lines, particular lines. For example guys, if you want to join the lines from here, for example, if you don't want here door, or if you don't want opening here, you want opening in this portion, in this position, in this here. So what you will do, you can join this line. To use the join command, you click press in keyboard J, enter, and this one first reference point, and select the reference second point, second line, and enter. Now this is joined. The same thing, if you want to join this one also, you can select first point, first line, and second line, join. Guys, you have to be careful when you are going to join the lines, because if you are going to join the line should be in the same parallel, in the same lines. For example, like one line is here and copy, one line is here. If you want to join, it can easily join, like join command, J command. If the line is not in a same direction, or like line is here or some line is here, and then you are going to use the join command, it will not work, because the line is not same in a same line, so it could not be joined. So be careful when you are going to use the join command. And the next command, you are using a break command. Break command is very useful, where we are going to break the object or break any line. For example, you are going to break this line. So for break command, we use BR, enter, click the first point, and up till where you want to break the line, till here. So this is useful command to break the particular line. So same for here. If you want to break here, BR, you can use BR here and here, and also you can use BR here and here. Now you delete this part. Here you can use join command to join the object. Now this is your opening, is okay. So guys, this is a very useful command, like creating when you are going to create any architectural, so any plan in AutoCAD. So this command is mostly used, like trim, join line, break. And our next topic, we are going to cover some very important command which is useful. And for now, bye, and we will see you the next video. Thank you so much.